check out our newest feature release. This one is very simple, but it's going to help you stay on top of these amazing calendar new feature updates. The What's New button in our CRM's calendars makes it effortless to discover, access, and stay updated on the latest features with a simple, easy to use shortcut. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. Well, this little update is going to help you stay in the loop effortlessly, but don't worry, you'll still find these amazing videos that we create available. With this new What's New update, you'll be able to easily enable new features or access help docs for in-depth understanding with just a simple click. You'll also be able to opt out of specific features if they don't align with your business needs. This is a great feature update because it makes it easy to keep yourself in the know. So let me show you exactly where these calendar updates are located. First, you're going to go ahead and click on Calendars. And when you're in the main calendar tab, in the secondary upper navigation, you're going to notice in the upper right-hand area of your screen the What's New Calendar Updates button. When you click on that, you're going to be able to access all of the updates specifically related to calendars. What's great about this is you can actually select the updates that you want. So go ahead and tap Get Started. If you'd like to disable these calendar updates, just click Don't Show This Again. It's a really simple way to keep up with these beautiful, amazing calendar updates. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.